In this video, I will show you how to close part of a trade on eToro. So first open eToro. This can either be the app or the website, the steps are the same. So then once you've opened it, click on Portfolio. Then right here you have all of your open trades. So as you can see, I have this Bitcoin trade that is currently open. I have about $60 in it. So let's say I want to close half of this trade. Here's how I would do that. So first click on the trade that you want to partially close. Then click on the specific position that you would like to close partly. So I only have one here, so I'll just click on this one. And then click on close trade. And then right here you get the option to close only part of the trade. So select that. And then here it will automatically select half of your trade. So let's say you want to do half, you can keep it like this. And then when you click on close trade, it will close that part of the trade that you just selected. So that's how you can close part of a trade on eToro.